Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough with some Crafter's Companion edgeables I recently picked up. So these are from various collections. This one is called Elegant Flourish and I bought these on my own with no affiliation with Crafter's Companion, just here to provide you with some inspiration as a fellow crafter. So we have Elegant Flourish, and this is from a bundle with some other edgeables that I didn't pick up, just didn't need them. Then we have Balloon Flowers, Rose Garden, and Chasing Dragonflies. So all three of these I got in a bundle, either from HSN or from Crafter's Companion. I can't really recall which one, but they all create a decorative edge. You could use them on a 6x6, 5x5, 5x7 card, you know, mix them up however you want. So let me show you a couple of things that I did with these. So this one is using the Balloon Flowers edge right here. And I'll go ahead and take it out so you can see it goes that way. And then I found that it was a little challenging to cut through multiple layers. So I just cut through a piece of paper and the cardstock. And then on the inside of this one, I used the vellum insert from Crafter's Companion, I think from the Versus collection. And then this is just a Spellbinders mount and some Anna Griffin text. So that is using the, what's this one called? Balloon Flowers. And then next I have Rose Garden. So for this one, I use the NitWit collection, Kindly Thoughts. So again, I just cut through the cardstock and a piece of paper from NitWit. And then I put blue on the background. So there's a blue layer on top of the card. And then the paper cut through cardstock. This is a topper from NitWit. And then I made decoupage with some of the other pages in the topper kit. So this one here is inspiration for the Rose Garden collection. And then I have some inspiration with Elegant Flourish. First, I'll show you my fail. This is some Spellbinders paper and then some gold cardstock. And you can see I got a little sloppy with the glue. So, you know, this is a fail, but it was my first attempt. And I thought that using this Spellbinder paper that kind of already had flourishes in it was kind of cute. Good idea. But then here's the one that I was successful with. So I did with purple. This is also some Spellbinders paper. And then I embossed some pearlized paper from Crafter's Companion. And then this is the pearlized also from Crafter's Companion. And then this thank you sentiment is from Creative Expressions. So that is Elegant Flourish. And then last but not least is Chasing Dragonflies. So I'll show you the finished card and then we'll pop over and make it. I did this one with the Caring Thoughts collection. So you'll see the decoupage flowers, the bow with the ribbon from the collection, and the vellum paper and the You Are in My Thoughts sentiment. So let's just stick around and I will make this card. So this is the Chasing Dragons, and I want to use the Caring Thoughts collection for this. So I have a piece of glitter, a 6x6 cardstock. Then I have this 6x6 glitter, and then I also have right here 6x6 vellum that I cut from the 12x12 paper pad. And then I want to use the edgeable on the side, so it'll be like this. I'll go ahead and cut one using the Gemini MIDI over here. And then we can put it all together, maybe with some of the Caring Thoughts sentiments, the die cuts, or something like that. Okay, so what I didn't realize is that this Caring Thoughts topper pad has two different collections. So it has this one here with all of the flowers, and then if you go to the back, there's another one with the butterflies. So that was a nice, pleasant surprise. So what I'm going to do is get this taped down and run it through the Gemini MIDI. Okay, so I will probably redo that bow later on just to get it better. So again, this is just some cards that I made using the Crafter's Companion Edgeables. So this time around, we just used the Chasing Dragons, and we accompanied it with the Caring Thoughts Collection decoupage and vellum paper on a 6x6 card. If you enjoy this video, please hit like, subscribe, and also the notifications button so you can be notified as I make additional videos. Thank you for joining me. This is just Crafty Chantel.